We are live, we are rolling. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode. Before we get started, I have to be very honest, I missed a giveaway winner update. That was from my MWC Tech Travel Pack edition. Congrats to... I need to double check. Congrats to TG Mo. You won one of those items from that pack. I just sent you an email, so that is being shipped out. Congrats. And just like the title implies today, it's a bit mysterious. It is the ultimate or the greatest tech gift that you can get. Boom. This is it. It is a pack 23andMe, and they actually reached out, so big shout outs to them for sponsoring this episode. But don't get me wrong, want to be completely transparent, I've always wanted to get my own DNA testing kit. I'm a huge nerd when it comes to these things, and obviously partnerships like this help me give back to you guys, and this one will be no different. So as your ultimate tech gift, let's set the limit at, say, $1,000. Leave a comment down below on what that would be, and in addition to receiving this testing kit for yourself, I will send out that tech gift to you too. Let's get to my ultimate tech gift and hopefully teach you guys some science. So essentially 23andMe is a personal genetic service which helps you understand your DNA. And one of the questions I actually asked on Twitter last night, because no one in my existence has ever got this correct. What is my ethnicity or background? I have got the spectrum across the board, but no one has nailed it completely. P.S. If you responded, there was close to 100 of you. Thank you, I giggled at every single one. You know, I got Jamaican, New Zealand, white and Filipino or Chinese, Puerto Rican, mix of Filipino, Canadian and Japanese, Spanish, born in the Netherlands, dual citizenship of Canada and the Netherlands. That's why I've got my good old Dutch passport. That's a little bit of a hint. Thanks for all of your responses. Some were definitely close, but no one quite nailed it. According to this, I am an even split of 50-50 European and East Asian, which is correct. Mom and dad, if you're seeing this, you're watching in Europe somewhere, I'm saying what's up. My old man, my dad is Dutch and my mom is Filipino, so it nailed it. A bit of backdrop, now I'm of course living in Canada. I was born and raised here. I did live in Europe for a while. I played soccer when I was a younger guy and used to be able to do that better than now. So just to be very clear, these genetic health risks don't address your current state and it isn't a diagnosis. So it's not saying you have this, it's game over, end of the world. It's just one of the factors that may contribute to that, just like lifestyle, diet, being sedentary, sitting on your butt, how much exercise you do, all of those things kind of factor in. But I actually want to save these and go through these with my good buddy Nick. He lives essentially right next door. He did his master's in muscle physiology. He's also a super hardcore nerd about this stuff. One of them is muscle composition. My favorite. Okay, we are here. We are at Nick's place. We are here with the expert, supposedly, of all things muscle related.
Hey.
To give you a bit of a backdrop, I just did a 23andMe test, so it's like a genetic test. It says, the results are in. Karl, your genetic muscle composition is common in elite power athletes. The genetic variant in this report seems to make a difference in athletic success.
Okay. Yes, I can see that. So that extra 3%.
Right, could be that difference of, as a, you know, making it to that level, or...
Especially in a power sport,
yes.
You know, like crossing the line 0.01 seconds, you're still faster.
So Usain Bolt must have a lot of this.
I'm sure he has a lot of alpha actinin 3.
And I am big C, so common for me. Maybe not so much for you. We should probably do a race.
We should do a race after this.
Actually, we're gonna do a race.
So it's suggesting that Karl has more of alpha actinin 3. It's a protein, it's in muscle, it binds the actin filament. If anyone wants to nerd out and look that up, you can, which is on the 11th chromosome.
Dope,
so
look at you know a couple things.
There we go, so
okay.
On your 11th chromosome, you have actin 3.
Dope.
I also believe there's some research that suggests it prevents muscle damage.
Interesting.
during training.
Okay, so as we are freezing our butts off here, it's supposed to be spring, but it's actually not. We'll probably head back inside. Maybe we'll do that race like we said.
Okay, yeah.
This was kind of, 23andMe. It's something that you can grab. I think it's an ultimate techie gift. Like, I love kind of getting it.
I think it's really cool.
Like, I think we're both into this kind of stuff, so it definitely makes sense. And Nick, you weren't here for the beginning of the video. I said that I would match the ultimate tech gift. So $1,000 for a tech gift, what would you get?
Wow, what
On
would
the
I
spot.
get? I'd probably get a camera for training in the gym.
Yeah.
Like a really sick one suited for the gym. I think I could get chalk on it and it wouldn't get,
Nice.
something cool like that.
Nice. And yeah, I think that will pretty much wrap up this video. Thanks to Nick for, coming to hang out and of course offer his expertise. I'll leave your Insta down below. You guys
Very cool.
can check him out. I will catch the rest of you in one of the next episodes or vlogs, and best of luck to everyone for that sweet giveaway. $1,000 and a 23andMe kit. Peace. We're here. Race day.
Race day. So we're gonna see how Karl's alpha actinin 3 helps him out.
I'm also in jeans, FYI. I'm just using that as an excuse.
Excuses. Lots of excuses.
I'm gonna win. We're
We're
gonna
about
go
to
all the way down this
smash Karl now.
Winner, chicken dinner.
You totally started first.
Oh,
What a
those
cheater.
excuses.
Can't win them all.
I still got it, I guess,
My ankle really hurts.
Yeah, my knee.